We are Trane. We're more than the products we make. We are the people who make them. We get up early and stay late. We never flinch at a little fire or hard work. We're fathers and sons, mothers and daughters. We're former soldiers and current friends. We're from small towns with big resolve, creating more than products that keep America comfortable. We're creating leaders in Trenton, New Jersey. We're creating opportunity in Vidalia, Georgia. And we've been creating a strong community in Tyler, Texas for more than 60 years. Because we know what we create here goes into homes around the country to make life more livable. We are Trane Proud.